Hi guys, it's Tammy, and this is week 5 unboxing of my February advent calendar from Ruby and Rose. Let me see, Ruby and Rose's yarn. Her name is Addison. She is adorable. She is a 16-year-old who dyes yarn, who knits, who just seems like she is amazing. I would love to be her friend. But I didn't unbox number 5 of the advent calendar, and some of you have even said, Advent is supposed to be in December. I know that, you know that, she knows that, but she was just doing something fun that every Saturday you had a little 20-gram, skein of yarn to unbox, and she's calling it an Advent. So it's really cute. It's just fun, something fun to do. I like the idea of getting something and being able to open it on different days, and I just think it's fun. So the different colorways, so it says this winter advent captures all of the beauty and magic of winter. Enjoy opening one of these packages each Saturday in February. I hope you can knit on this while sitting by the fire, drinking your favorite warm drink, and maybe even watching snowfall. If you have enjoyed this advent and you would like to continue, then check out March, April, and May advent as well. Also, if you are looking for patterns to knit on these minis, then I would be happy to assist you. Have a lovely season and happy unwrapping. And these are all of the colors. So number 1 was Winter Sunset, which is this one. Number 2 was A Walk Through the Woods, which is this one. Number 3 was Ice Skates, which is this one. So cute. 4, Snow Forests. And 5 is Flurries. So those are the different ones, and you can put them all together and you can make something wonderful. You can use them separately. You can do heels, toes, and cuffs of socks. You can do a scrappy project. You can do a cowl. Just use them all together. I think they're really cute. And I think I'm going to leave them out of their bags and just kind of have them in a little, I don't know, something, so that I can use them. And I think they're adorable. And yeah, that's that. So I hope that you guys check her out. She has beautiful colorways. Her yarn is very squishable and soft. I've purchased some regular skeins of yarn from her as well because I really like her. And I think that she does a really great job. And it makes me smile that she's only 16 and is doing all this. I really want to support her just because of that. And I don't remember where she lives. I want to say it's Canada, but I'm not positive. So check her out, guys. And you can find her on Etsy, and you can also find her on YouTube. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.